Hi, this is Redmi 12 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So then tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, I'll change the clock one. You could rename the view if you want to use icon from the library with different folders, or to use photo from your device gallery, or to take a picture right now in camera app. So this is the clock one. Let's use the same one. Tap to OK in the right upper corner, and now we should allow sound permissions. So tap to home screen shortcuts, which to always allow. You could also allow all of the other permissions. So let's go back. Tap to OK once again. Tap to the X icon. Now click to change next icon or go to desktop directly. So let's check the new clock icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe.